Okay, we're going to deal with balancing equations here. Okay, in this question, they've given us an entire equation. And I want you guys to realize that an equation is like a sentence in English. We have a left side of an equation and we have a right side to an equation. What would be considered the middle of the equation in this case? Our equal sign, okay? Think of it like a fulcrum, or the middle of a balancing point. So, there are many ways we could balance this. We can find out, we can bring x to one side, all the numbers to the other. Another way, or what they've done in this example, and they've split the question up into two parts. Excuse me, a left side and a right side. And what they did is separately solved for the left side of the equation and then separately solved for the right side of the equation. So, they have the left side of the equation, and then they solved for the right side of the equation. In order for this equation to be balanced, we need to get the same answer no matter what side we're on. Okay? So we'll take this question. Here's our left side of the equation. We have 5x plus 3 minus x. And our right side of the equation read x multiplied by 2 plus 3 minus 1. Okay? Now, they also told us that x was equal to 4. So we're going to substitute the number 4 in for x in both of these equations. And there's actually a second one here. So when you put 4 in here, this is going to read 5 what? Times 4. Okay, so we just leave it in our brackets. 5 times 4. Plus 3 subtract, that's right, the number 4. What is 5 times 4? 20. And then, according to BEDMAS, we do what's inside the brackets first. What is 3 subtract 4? Negative 1. Okay, so we're going to be plus negative 1, which is also the same as writing 20 subtract 1. What do we get? 19. Okay. Our other side of the equation, x was equal to 4, so we're going to put 4 outside these brackets. 2 plus 3 subtract 1. Now, should I distribute this 4? Why not? What's that? Say it again? Yes. We're going to deal with our BEDMAS first, okay? And according to BEDMAS, we deal with what's in the brackets first. So, we have 4 multiplied by 5. Subtract 1. 4 times 5 is, we already figured that out. Subtract 1. 19. So the left side of this equation is equal to the right side of this equation. That's all they were doing at the bottom of that page. Proving it by plugging that number in and showing that when we solved it on the left, we got, in this case, 19. And when we solved it on the right side, we got 19 again, which means this equation is balanced. If we'd gotten different numbers, this wouldn't be a true statement. We could not write equals between them. But because they are equal in the end, 19 is equal to 19. We know that this is a balanced equation.